Hello guys, today's we went to a sale, and it was a church sale. There was some really cool standees there. You'll see them in the video, and I'll talk about them there at the end. We actually ended up going back to this sale twice. I didn't get the second visit in, but check it out. If you like the video, like and subscribe. Thanks guys. Churchyard sale. Look at that line. I need it to scare Kylie. Get it?
No.
Yeah.
I don't need that.
Oh, it's $5. Yeah, we do.
Good morning.
That's a seesaw. That's cool. Look at all these toys.
It's a Peppa Pig. Look.
Cool. Spidey-Man. Spidey-Man. Does whatever Spidey can. $10. Barbara, what is this?
Looks homemade to me.
Can I pull the girls around on it? Look down there, Barbara. Underneath the table. It's a bank red light.
Oh, get that out and see what it is.
I just said it's a bank red light. I don't see how much it is. I don't see, Barbara. Oh, look at those standees up there. I got to track on that. $50. $0.50. Can't beat that.
Yeah, the job that you were like, yeah, I'll just sit at the table all day.
JFK, 50 cents.
We've had them for I don't know how long. I have no idea. My dad preached them during COVID.
They're all cool.
I know. Someone bought the Undertaker.
Oh man,
Yeah.
daggone it. And they're all 50 cents each?
All 50 cents, yeah. What did your dad do with them? He preached to them during COVID when the church was shut down.
Did you like set them up?
Yeah, they were upstairs in the youth room, and he just had them like set up and was preaching.
That's genius.
Him and his brother have like a running Gary Oldman show.
Yeah.
You know, one day you get a cardboard cutout of Gary Oldman and like go to his house and put it in his shower.
I love it.
I'm gonna set these right here if that's okay, partner.
Yep, absolutely.
Oh man. Can't believe I missed out on the Undertaker.
Oh, I know.
I'm gonna set this stuff right here too. Do you have a trash can out here?
No, I'll take it.
Thank you, sir. I appreciate it. Well. I'm glad about those stand-ups because I will probably set those in the booth. I'll price them, but they'll be good attention. Doodads, eye catchers. How much is your total?
3.
Good Lord. Minnie Mouse. Minnie Mouse. Daisy. Is this Peppa also?
I don't even know if Peppa's any good, but I figured for $3.
Well, I'm pretty sure that's Peppa Pig.
It's the car, I know for sure.
You want it for $1?
Should we?
I mean, it's just adding to it. But look here. Minnie and Daisy. What about this? It's a wooden Disney train set. $2. What do you think?
Oh, no, I want to go out in the car and look at that Fisher Price big bus with the little people. It's a green purse.
Right.
Cabbage. Alright, go ahead and go get that and pay for it, and we'll G.O. Oh, that's cool. Let me get it so I can break on it.
3 plus 5 on the Spider-Man stuff, right? 5, yeah.
Take it over here.
What are those price tags?
$4 and $2.
Okay, plus 6 plus 25 cents.
And then did you get the...
Yeah, I got the thing. So that is $16.75.
Alrighty.
$16.75.
Yep.
I'll tell you what, guys, just keep the rest as a donation.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
All right, thank you, guys. Can you believe these were 50 cents each? I just set it down there. Dang. Man, I'm happy about them stand-ups. There we go. Monkey Man. I need these to make price labels. Alright guys, you saw that. The mask, I'm gonna start collecting masks, and I'll show that off someday. I've got a bunch of styrofoam heads and I'm gonna put them on. But the Peppa Pig boat, that went in the booth. That'll sell, I think she priced it for $15, if I'm not mistaken, and I can't remember what she gave for it. The standees were 50 cents a piece, is that right? It's been a while since we took this video and I'm just now getting it uploaded, but I'm pretty sure that's 50 cents. I should have watched it, oops on me. But we put those in the booth for $12 because we were afraid that they was going to take up too much room, and I felt like it was too cheap, but went ahead and put them in there for $12, and they sold, all 3 of them sold within a week. So they were really good eye catchers. I wish that I would have put at least 25, maybe 30 on them, but you know, they sold, made money, so I can't complain. And like I say, we went back later in the day. At the time, the booth thing was hers and my little brother's, kind of putting stuff in there, and now I've opened up 2 booths myself and gonna be putting stuff in there. So I wished that I would have been buying for the booth at that church sale, because man, there was a lot of good stuff there that I could have put in the booth and made some really good money. So going forward, I'll not only be buying for eBay, but I definitely be buying for the booth and show you guys all that stuff. All right guys, I appreciate you watching. Till next time, later friends.